Good evening and welcome to the 12th match in round 2 of the 2021 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Race. It's Solid Base Primary from St. Catherine up against Hayes Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host TK Dawkins and the action begins right now. We now get straight into the action. Earlier we had the toss and Solid Base won and decided to send Hayes in first. In section 1, both teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds in which to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have 4 minutes on the Guardian's new ultimate provider clock. And begin with you, Hayes, in Bible knowledge. Who was the mother of King Solomon?
Bathsheba.
That's correct. Solid Base Bible knowledge. Who was the husband of the evil queen Jezebel?
King Ahab.
That's correct. Hayes, science. What's the name for the part of an experiment which can be controlled or changed?
Variable.
That's right. Solid Base science. What word generally describes a material that lets light through completely?
Transparent.
That's correct. Hayes, international affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mike Henry.
That's incorrect. It's Belize Prime Minister Johnny Brasino. Solid Base, international affairs. It's a visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Justin Trudeau.
The Prime Minister of Canada. That's correct. Hayes, English language. Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I left for work this morning.
I am leaving for work this morning.
That is correct. Solid Base English language. Change this sentence to the future tense. I arrived at the airport on Tuesday.
I arrived at the airport on Tuesday.
I arrived at the airport on Tuesday.
That's incorrect. It's I will arrive at the airport on Tuesday. Television, it's a visual question for you, Hayes. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Velma Dinkley.
Velma Dinkley.
I will check with the judges if that is correct. Thank you. Solid Base, television and visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Shaggy Rogers.
I'll check if that surname is correct. Shaggy is correct. General knowledge, Hayes. Hamilton is the capital of which Caribbean country?
St. Lucia.
That's incorrect. It's Bermuda. Solid Base, general knowledge. Basseterre is the capital of which Caribbean country?
St. Kitts and Nevis.
That's correct. Hayes, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Jordan.
That's incorrect. It's NBA player Draymond Green. Solid Base, sports, visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Johnny McLeod.
That's incorrect. It's NBA player Steph Curry. Hayes, social studies. What is the name for a half of a sphere, such as the Earth?
I don't know. Semicircle.
That's incorrect. It's hemisphere. Solid Base social studies. What's the name for a raised area of land, usually smaller and less steep than a mountain?
Hill.
That is correct. Hayes, music. What's another name for the bass clef?
G clef.
That's incorrect. It's the F clef. Solid Base music. What's the name of the lowest type of female voice?
Soprano.
That's incorrect. It's alto or contralto. Mathematics for you, Hayes. What's the value of 5.89 multiplied by 10,000.
5,800.
That's incorrect. It's 58,900. Solid base mathematics. What's the value of 15.84 multiplied by 100,000?
84.24.
That's incorrect. It's 1,584,000. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are solid base prep on 6 and Hayes primary on 4. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our children from Guardian's new ultimate provider. And the tip is, saving is a habit. The more you practice, the better you get. So start early. Stay with us. This match in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021 continues after these messages.